So if we check this, we check in the original, we'll have 2 over 7 plus 5 plus 1 over 7 minus 5 equaling 16 over 7 squared minus 25. So 2 over 12 plus 1 over 2 equals 16 over 49 minus 25. So 2 over 12, plus 1 over 12 would equal 16 over 24. So in order to add our fractions, we have to make a common denominator. So our common denominator is going to be 24. So we can multiply this by 12, this by 2, and you could have simplified your fraction there as well, and then therefore your common denominator would be 6. So you're going to have 4 24ths plus 12 24ths, which would be 16 24ths, which is the same thing as 16 24ths. So therefore it checks out. So it is our solution. Our last example is now we're going back to finding the domain. So here we have x plus x over 6, and we want to find the values for which our function f of a equals 5. So we're going to, instead of having an x, we're having an a. So f of a, wherever there's an x, replace it with an a. And we want to know when this is equal to 5. So when 5 equals a plus 6 over a. Sorry, that kind of looks like a 9. Again, we want to clear out our denominator, so our LCD is going to be a. So we're going to times every term by a. So we're going to have 5a equaling a squared plus 6 times a cancels out, so it would just be 6, sorry. So you should start seeing a trinomial, so we need to get one side equal to 0, so we're going to minus 5a over. 0 equals a squared minus 5a plus 6. We need to factor it, so we make our little x, factors of 6, that's sum to give us negative 5. We would be looking at negative 3 and negative 2. So we would have a minus 3 times a minus 2 equaling 0. So a minus 3 equals 0, a minus 2 equals 0, a would equal 3, and a would equal 2. Our restrictions would just be we can't divide by 0, so therefore x could not equal 0 or a could not equal 0. So either one of these could be a possibility. So we have to check it then. So if we check f of 3 first. So f of 3 first would be 3 plus 6 over 3. What does this equal? Does it equal the 5 that we want it to equal? So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 equals 5. So 3 is a solution. So then we try with 2. So f of 2 would equal 2 plus 6 over 2. Does this equal 5? And so you would have 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 5 is equal to 5. So therefore both of them are a solution.